Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make fake baked cupcakes. So for this you're going to need some baking cups, and I got those from TJ Maxx. You're going to need some foam balls, and I actually got those from Walmart. You can get them at the Dollar Tree as well. And you're going to need the painting sponge, and that paint is actually called Classic Caramel, and I like to just kind of press it in there just to make sure I get complete coverage. And so you're going to do that for about half of it, or at least the part that you think is going to be showing at the top, and it's just going to fit right in the top there. But you do want to go ahead and just glue that down with some hot glue at the bottom, just so that they stay in there nicely. I'm trying a different color. So that first color was called Classic Caramel. This color, and that was by Apple Barrel. This color is called Latte, and it's a brand that I got at Hobby Lobby. I can't think of off the top of my head, but you can check in the description below. So I'm just going to finish that up now. Those look really real to me too. Okay, now that they're all made, we're going to go ahead and start decorating them. They look awesome. So I have on that plate just some leftover Valentine decorations, cake toppers, little glitter hearts, cherries that I got from Amazon as well, and then those little pieces of chocolate that I had left over from Christmas, fake chocolate that I also got on Amazon. So I had that piping bag with the 105 Wilton tip, and I'm just fitting that down nicely and snugly into the cup. It's just really a lot easier to get the icing in that way. For the icing, I'm using Fast and Final lightweight spackle, and I'm struggling a little bit opening it. Yeah, okay. Finally got it open. As you can see, it looks perfect and creamy, just like buttercream icing. I decided I want to keep that white, but you can make it any color that you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop that in there. And you don't need a ton, maybe like a cup and a half, but I'm going to scoop some in just to kind of fill up that. It's a pretty small bag, so just to fill up the bag. Squeeze it down just to get any air bubbles out, and then I'm going to add it to the top of the cupcakes. I'm going to start adding some decorations now. So I have these fake sprinkles that I got from Amazon, so I'm adding those. Adding some fake cherries, fake spackle hearts, cake toppers, little glitter, those little pieces of fake chocolate. And they look awesome, awesomely delicious. There you go. Please like and subscribe to my channel.